Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your outreach pipeline with HubSpot sales sequences. To transfer your outreach pipeline with HubSpot sales sequences, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the sales dashboard from the main menu. Select sequences from the drop-down under the Sales tab. Click on the Create Sequence button to get started. Begin by naming your sequence clearly to reflect its purpose. In the sequence editor, you can add personalized email templates. To do this, click on Add Email and select Create New Email. Craft your email with compelling content and a strong call to action. You can also customize the email with personalization tokens for individual recipients. After saving your email, continue by adding follow-up steps. Choose Add Task to insert reminders for calls or other outreach activities. Set the due date and time for each task to stay organized. Next, click on Add Delay to space out your outreach efforts. This helps avoid overwhelming your prospects with too much communication. Once you've added all the steps, review the sequence for clarity and flow. You can test the sequence by sending it to yourself or a colleague to check for any errors. When satisfied, save the sequence and publish it. To use your new sequence, go to your contacts list and select a prospect. Click on the More drop-down and choose Start Sequence. Select the sequence you've just created and confirm the action. Your outreach pipeline is now set up and ready for automated follow-ups. Regularly monitor the performance of your outreach sequences through analytics. Adjust your sequence as needed based on feedback and results. This approach will help streamline your outreach process effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.